In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build apps faster using Grok, AI Workflow 2026. Let's get started by heading to grok.com in your browser. You don't need any special setup here, just a modern browser and a stable internet connection. Opening the site takes you straight to the interface where everything happens. Think of Grok as your co-pilot for planning, scoping, and accelerating the repetitive parts of app development, so you can focus on the creative and technical decisions that matter most. Next, log into your Grok account. This step is optional, but it's worth doing because it saves your chat history and progress. That way, if you come back later, Grok can remember previous context, drafts, and preferences, which helps you build momentum over multiple sessions. Logging in also keeps your workspace organized, so you can revisit ideas without starting from scratch. On the home page, you'll see the Grok AI Frontend Center. This is your workspace. You'll notice a clean layout designed to keep you focused on the conversation. The main area is where responses appear, and the side panels may show recent chats or helpful shortcuts depending on your setup. On the main screen, look for the chat bar at the bottom. This is where you'll type your requests. Keep your prompts plain and direct. Grok understands natural language. If you're on a smaller screen, the chat bar may collapse slightly. Just tap it to expand and start typing. Now, try asking Grok about build apps faster. Type that phrase into the chat bar and send it. Grok will generate information about faster app development methods, such as streamlining planning, scaffolding features, reusing components, and automating tedious tasks. If you have a particular context in mind, like mobile, web, or backend services, feel free to mention it in the same message to tailor the response. But it's not required for this first pass. If the first answer isn't quite what you need, ask again for more detailed information. Be specific about what faster means to you. You can request a step-by-step workflow, time-saving checkpoints, or suggestions for prototyping, testing, and deployment. Clarify your platform, language, or constraints, and ask for concrete examples or sample plans. Short follow-ups work great, like make it more actionable, add pitfalls to avoid, or focus on early validation. Iterating this way helps Grok refine the plan and surface shortcuts that fit your project. That's it. You've learned how to access Grok, start a focused conversation, and iterate to get increasingly useful practical guidance for building apps faster. Keep refining your prompts and let Grok handle the heavy lifting while you ship smarter.